Hello, everyone. I hope you're all having a blessed Thursday. This is your fourth stimulus package update and daily news report. The second round of stimulus payments are already going out to eligible Americans. Please, everyone, make sure to watch until the end of this video to learn how to enter my $100 Walmart gift card giveaway. Millions of American businesses are hiring and at a historic rate, with almost 11 million job openings in the month of July. And this is according to the latest government data. Yet, more than 9 million Americans were collecting enhanced unemployment benefits as of Labor Day, which was a cutoff of those crisis benefits. Yet, more than 9 million people were collecting enhanced unemployment benefits as of Labor Day, which is the cutoff of those crisis benefits, an apparent disconnect that has roiled lawmakers, policy experts, and business owners. It all boils down to this. If there are more job openings than unemployed workers, why aren't more people coming off unemployment aid? The number of job openings in the United States surged to a historic high of 10.9 million at the end of July. That's up from 10.2 million in June. Many business owners and dozens of Republican governors have blamed enhanced unemployment benefits for keeping workers on the sidelines. In their view, too many unemployed workers opted to collect an extra $300 in weekly jobless aid rather than to find work, which prompted 25 GOP-led states to cut jobless aid early in an effort to spur job growth by pushing workers off unemployment support. Yet that has not happened, with several economic studies finding the states that ended crisis jobless aid early did not experience stronger job growth than those that maintained the aid until Labor Day weekend, when the federal benefits expired. That suggests other factors are at work besides unemployment aid, with economists pointing to a complicated mix of shifting priorities for workers and concerns about these rising rates of this crisis. The disconnect between job openings and unemployed workers is only growing more urgent as enhanced jobless benefits ended on September 6th, knocking about 9.1 million people from these programs. It is likely that some of those workers will return to the labor force, with analysts estimating that the expiration of the benefits may boost job growth by 1.5 million new positions from September through the end of the year. But health concerns may outweigh financial considerations.
We have been in Springfield, Newport, St. Johnsbury, just came up from Brattleboro, and we're here right now because I think it is really important that when you have a people's budget, the people should know what's in it. What I love about democracy, real democracy, is the ability to come out to the people. Hear what's on your mind in these difficult times. You hear what's going on in Washington, and we do the best that we can to go forward. I am here absolutely convinced that if we have the courage and the determination to stand together in the fight for justice, and that is economic justice, social justice, racial justice, and environmental justice, and not allow politicians to divide us up based on the color of our skin or where we were born or our sexual orientation. I have absolute confidence that when we come together, not only can we address the enormous crises that we face, but I believe we can move this country in a much stronger and better direction.
That means employers may continue to struggle to find qualified people to fill those 10.9 million job opening positions, at least in the near term. That is because the economy and public health are increasingly intertwined when workers don't feel safe returning to work and customers cut back on spending due to their fears. This creates a drag on the economy. Meanwhile, several unemployed workers in the state of Texas, where Governor Abbott cut off pandemic jobless aid on June 26, told CBS News that the early end to the support made their lives more financially precarious without helping them secure work. So everyone, what are your thoughts on the current unemployment rates? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Another major cause for the disconnect between job openings and the unemployed workers could be due to a skills mismatch between what employers are searching for and what employees have to offer. Everyone, the key word for this video is lemon. Please make sure to comment below the key word to enter my $100 Walmart gift card giveaway. Businesses are increasingly shifting towards technology and automation than they were prior to this crisis, and may be searching for employees with those skills or a record of adapting to them. Some workers are continuing to struggle with childcare in schools. That makes it very difficult for parents of young children to return to the workforce, given the uncertainty about their children's schedules for months to come. To be sure, there are some upsides to the current disconnect, at least for some workers. The dynamics of the labor market are providing more power to employees, with nearly 4 million people quitting their jobs in July, up from 3.9 million in June. That suggests many Americans are confident enough in their prospects to seek something new and for better pay. The Golden State Stimulus 2 is what the state is calling a second round of payments that range from anywhere between $500 to $1,000, and which will be going out by mail or direct deposit through the end of this year. California residents who have already filed their 2020 tax return in California should start seeing payments hitting their bank accounts very soon. One difference now is the adjusted gross income has gone up from $30,000 to $75,000, giving more California residents an opportunity this time around. Additionally, some people who received the first Golden State stimulus check early this year can also qualify for the additional payment. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining me here tonight. I greatly and truly appreciate it. Please remember to enter my Walmart gift card giveaway by subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and commenting below the keyword of the day. Thank you so much, everyone, and have a very blessed Thursday night.